Welcome at Ørsted. My name is Stefan. I work for Ørsted now for about 3 years. Our main business is offshore wind, and we want to change the way that energy is being produced for the consumers. During last year, we had the idea of moving from manual Excel reporting to something that could be automated. And of all the companies that I called, Kapacity was in fact the one that stood out with their flexibility. We had a lot of teams pulling data from that database, making reports by themselves in Excel or in other formats. And it showed that when everything was added up coming from these different teams, the number was just not consistent. So at that point we decided we need a new reporting tool, and our decision was to go to Power BI. Kapacity offered actually a bigger range of options. Besides, they had also, as it showed later, a very attractive price, which helped quite a bit. After we moved to Power BI, we consolidated all the information into one report with different tabs, with different views. And now we have one set of numbers that is agreed on by everybody. We have now much more reliable figures because all the data comes from the same source, and it requires much less manual intervention than before.